What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off quiet mode on your Instagram. So let's jump into the video. So what you have to do first, you have to go to on Instagram. After going to on Instagram, what you need to do, you have to click on your profile just like this, and you need to do click on the top option, top right corner, in the top right corner in the three dot bar icon just like this. After click on three dot bar icon in the top right corner, you can see the bunch of options. What you need to do, you have to find the option that called time spent just like this. You have to click on time spent. So please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can turn off quiet mode on your Instagram. So after clicking on time spent, you can see here is three options. So what you need to do, first you have to click on the quiet mode just like this. After you have to click on this option just like this. So this is the quiet mode. We need to turn this off. You have to click on this, then you have to click on the second option, turn off quiet mode just like this. Then your quiet mode has been turned off. So this is how you can turn off your quiet mode on your Instagram. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.